heart speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. It's spring holiday here, so you know when kids are around entire day at home, how it is. Always the same question, what's special today? So today's special is focaccia bread. And why it is special? Because this boy is asking me from quite a long time to make some focaccia bread. He had seen this in some restaurant, but on that particular day he was not ready to eat because he had already something else. So he wanted to try focaccia bread at home. So we are planning to bake it together, or shall I make it and you will just watch, or are we making it together?
Well, but we both will make together. 50% you, 50% me.
Say hello here.
Hello. And I'm excited to make it and eat it.
So let's begin. I have taken here half cup of warm water, just warm enough that we can dip our finger, not too hot. To this warm water, I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can add honey also. This yeast, each sachet is of 7 grams, and as per the packet instruction, this 7 grams is enough for 500 grams of flour. I am making a small batch, so adding 1 teaspoon, around half sachet. We'll mix it and we'll keep it for around 5 minutes. In the meantime, I have taken here 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Actually, I am taking here 1.5 cup. So I have taken here 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. We'll add some salt to this. Now mix, mix, mix. You want to mix this?
Hello, I'm excited to eat it after making it.
Look at this. After around 5 minutes, the yeast is activated nicely. If you see the bubbles on the yeast, that means it is activated nicely. So we'll add this to our dough. We are mixing it gently with a spoon by adding some more warm water slowly. Some more warm water. We need a sticky dough. Little bit. Give little numbers. Give me little more. Just few drops. Actually, I didn't make it with hand. I just used my spoon to mix it. Now we'll add some olive oil. A generous amount of olive oil. And we'll mix it nicely again. Now I will cover it and keep it inside a warm place. Probably inside the oven by switching on the light. I'll just keep it for an hour. So our dough is resting inside the oven for about 1 hour or so. So we'll meet you after 1 hour.
So the dough can sleep like us.
We are back after an hour and look at this. How nicely it has risen. It has completely become double in size. And it's time to stretch and punch.
Oh, it's so wet.
Punch it down nicely. Now we'll take a baking dish and we'll grease this also nicely. I'm using olive oil for everything. here.
So it can be a little more healthy.
Not only healthy, focaccia bread is actually made with olive oil.
Yeah, plus the oil is healthier than the other oils.
And we'll put this dough in this baking dish.
I'm so excited to taste it.
And we'll spread it first. Now we'll let this again rise for another around 15 to 20 minutes. And we'll be back after 15 minutes. Okay? After 15 minutes, the dough has risen again. I'm adding here some more olive oil and we are going to poke some holes all over the dough. It helps to hold all that delicious olive oil. And this process is so relaxing. Now let's decorate, which is more fun. We are adding here some sliced onion, garlic, cherry tomatoes and rosemary. You can get creative here. You can add some feta cheese too. We don't have that now. All decoration is done and now it's time to bake. We are putting this into a preheated oven at about 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And while it bakes, the whole kitchen is going to smell incredible. And after 25 minutes, here it is, our homemade focaccia. Golden, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Just perfect. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's taste this.
Oh, it's so pretty. Can I eat it now?
Yeah, we'll cut it.
The kosher is ready to taste.
There you go.
Mmm, it is tasty.
So this is our homemade focaccia and it tastes really good. It actually tastes so good and he loved it also. So in this holiday, if you also want to bake something with your kids, please try this. Definitely everyone will like it. We enjoyed baking it together and making this video. I hope you will like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I shall see you in the next one. Till then bye bye and thank you for watching.
I want to eat this for my dinner.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, we'll say bye bye.
Bye bye. See you in the next video.
Bye bye.